Alrighty, traders, I finally got my mic working. All right, so we had a bit of a technical issue just before we started the session. We had to kill that one, start a new session. Hey, traders, welcome to another session here with the FxBigDog here as we look at cryptos and the opportunities that is presenting itself right now. So I want to go ahead and make sure that everyone understands that when I look at cryptos, I look at Bitcoin as the overall leader, but then I look at the altcoins as the opportunity. Now, when we go ahead and make money on the altcoins, we want to move those profits into something like Ethereum and Bitcoin, and we're going to build up that portfolio. So we're always going to continue to hold cryptos in the market so that if you ever get that big blowout, we're in the market, we are invested, we can go ahead and make a profit. So keep investing into Bitcoin and Ethereum as we're waiting for the markets to blow out. Now, as I go ahead and look for the opportunities, what I am really looking for right now is I'm looking for these altcoin opportunities, and we're going to do that in today's session. Take a look and see what's going on with Bitcoin. So welcome to the show. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel as we go ahead and do these live sessions, daily live sessions, not just on cryptos, but also on Forex as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. In the Forex, we do a broadcast on a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We call it the Pip Grabber Trading Session. Make sure that you subscribe so you can go ahead and get involved in those sessions at 11:15 every day on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And the strategy we follow inside the Forex session. You'll see in the description there are details about to get information about that. Check out the description. We're over 13,000 pips already. We've made on the Forex, so we're making some good profits on the Forex. Check out the description below. There's some track record, all the good stuff that you want to go ahead and check out in the description below. All right, so make sure that if you have not already, smash the like button. Smash the like button so we can get the video out to as many people as we possibly can. And I do appreciate everyone doing that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on with the market as we dig into the details. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Firstly, number one, Bitcoin has gone ahead and hit highs. We're back at the high right here. We had a good move in actually early morning Friday. We had a good rally, a breakout of that trend line, and it rallied up all the way up here to our what we call our third wave target. And then we had a bit of a correction move right here. So I just want to give everyone a heads up and say we're heading into a fourth to fifth wave move. And so the stuff that you've been hearing and the hype that you've been hearing about Bitcoin flying to the moon, I don't quite think it's there yet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you why I'm thinking that. So firstly, number one, if we look over here, we do see that we have a wave one, wave two, wave three going up right here. And so this is a fourth wave. Price could end up stalling here and then moving back down to a deeper correction move, which means that we could drop back down to about 45,000 on Bitcoin. Now, what is this going to be? What is this going to mean for us? Well, it's just really going to mean opportunity. That's really what it is. All right. This is going to be an opportunity for us to go ahead and buy on altcoins. And so what we'll do is we'll look on the altcoins and look for which altcoin has moved or has not moved and has dipped the most and invest in those altcoins. And so what I do is I look at the top 25 altcoins and I look at where the top 25 altcoins are trading at and what have they lost value, what value have they lost over the last 7 days to the last 24 hours, all right? Now, the 7-day trend is going to tell us whether the Bitcoin's or that coin is either in a strong bullish move or it's going to tell us that it's in the correction move, and we're going to go ahead and pay attention to that. So let's go dig into the details right here. Firstly, number one, as I go into Bitcoin right here, I do see a level right here at the top at about 51,600. Here's going to be a level of concern. All right. And the reason why it's a level of concern is because we do have inside structure that indicates that Bitcoin might find a bit of resistance here. All right. Especially if we do not move back down a little bit deeper. So if we get to this level right here, there might be a very good chance that we could see Bitcoin selling off. All right. So don't be surprised if we get to this level and we see Bitcoin selling off at that level, right there, about 51,600. Now, I don't think it's going to be time for people to start panicking, and it's not going to be time to think that that Bitcoin is going to head down to 30,000. But I think we are going to be in a correction move. And so as we rally north, as price goes up right here, and we get to this level, we may end up going back down to take out this low. Why that low? Well, keep in mind, this is a wave one, two, this is three, this is four. And so if we get to this point, it's wave five. Now, with us being at wave five right here, normally what price does when we complete a wave five, we look for price to move down to wave four. So we could get back down below 47,000, all right? And it might hover between 47,000 and 45,000. But this is where traders need to get excited about, because once we get to this point, this is going to be almost like a caterpillar, right? Where it's starting to stretch, and now we're going to start seeing the boost, right? We're going to start seeing the big move. And so as we get down to that level, we'll be looking for price then to trade up a lot higher. In fact, if you look at the largest swing, we're already targeting that 57,000. So we have a lot of areas inside 50,000. All right. So firstly, 49,000, which is trading right now, important level. 52,000, which is 51,600, an important level. And then if we blow through that level, then we're looking at price moving all the way up to 57,000. And if we get to 57,000, then we could look for a deeper correction move. In fact, if we get to 57,000, we could see Bitcoin dropping back down to about 41,000, which, by the way, it lines up with regards to what the mining costs are at the moment right now. And mining cost is driving us. Mining cost is holding Bitcoin from going any further. And so we may see a stall around 57,000 as we start looking for price dropping back down to around about 41,000 to get closer and closer to the mining cost. And then we may see a rally to the upside. And yes, talk about Bitcoin flying to the moon. If we get down once again, after we hit 57, now remember what I said, after we hit 57,000, and then we drop back down to 41,000, that's where we're going to be a solid buy position right there for price to go back up north. So we're going to keep an eye on these levels. We're going to keep a watch out on the news, making sure that is where we need to be, and then whether or not we should be closing out of positions at that point. All right. Now I'm going to say this. I'm never going to be in a position where I'm all flat on cryptos, because yes, we can. It is unpredictable, and we can have these big blowouts, and I don't want to be left behind. So we'll keep a big portion of my portfolio still in Ethereum and in Bitcoin, because long term, and that's really my goal, is to see cryptos, or these Bitcoin and Ethereum, to fly to the moon, and I want to be part of that. But what I do want to do is I want to give myself the opportunity to build up my portfolio while I'm getting these movements in cryptos, build up my portfolio so I have more of Bitcoin, more of Ethereum, and more of the altcoins that really are solid coins to hold. And that'll be in the top 10. Top 10 altcoins are definitely ones you need to go ahead and focus on. All right. And we're talking about the high cap coins. All right. So with that being said, let's jump back into what opportunity we have right now. So I'm going to go into my CoinGecko right here, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see. So we can see that Bitcoin is now starting to slip slightly higher since the weekend, because after the weekend we did have a little dip, so we're in a little bit of a bullish move over the last 24 hours. So we're slightly up on Bitcoin. But look at the altcoins. I mean, you can go down to the top 25 right here, find what altcoin is dropped back down south. Specifically right here, take a look at Cosmos. It's ATOM, right? ATOM right here. Take a look at that. We're down 4.5% for the 20 over the last 24 hours, but we're also down 4.4% over the last 7 days. So if you look at ATOM, and I don't even have it over here, so let me just go ahead and mark it off right here. ATOM, and we take a look at what it's doing here. So take a look over here. So if I look and I compress, this is the 4 hour right here. And if I look over here, I notice that we do have a high that has come back and retest right here. There it is, right? So price is definitely on the run, all right? It's on the run. If I put in some fibs, and I don't have a solid low right here, but if I put in fibs from there to there, I do notice that the 1.61 has come into play right here. So that tells me that price is looking for a correction, all right? And I believe we have had that correction, because look over here. Price did not come back and test this level. Let me drag it down here. It didn't test this level, but it certainly tested this high right here. So as we test that high, we're now looking for the markets to start creating a new swing high and low. And so we can see here that we had a nice swing low and high. Price moved back. We had a little bit of a correction, not getting to the 382 bounds. Actually, no, I lied. There it is. We did. Actually, there it is. We did get to the 382 bounds. So price got to the 382 bounds. And by the way, when we look at a wave structure and price moves to a 382 bounds in a fourth wave structure, this is actually pretty solid. That's a solid retracement. That's all you really need in that move. And so we're looking for ATOM to work its way back up to this level right here, which is at $12. So we're trading at 8, we're going to 12. That's going to be at least a 33% gain on price. So if we look over here, that's going to be actually 60% right here, 61% gain in price right here. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong level. I'm looking at the 1.6. There we go. All right, 44%. So looking at about a 44% gain in price. All right. So looking for a 44% gain in price as price moves from the $8 level to the $12 level. We're looking at about a 44% gain in price. Now, let's take a look over here. How do we trade this? All right. How would we trade this? Well, we got to go down to a lower time frame, and I'm going to go ahead and scoop it down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute, not the 15. Sorry, let's go to 15, not the 5. And over here, I'm going to go ahead and compress. So if you take a look here, we have seen, we actually seen a bit of consolidation. So this is where traders can go ahead and use a bit of trendline breaks, right? Trendline breaks, looking for a nice little trendline break, waiting for price to get onto the right side of the trendline, and then go ahead and trade that. That would be an option there. Let me take a look at the wave structure here. I might have to go to the 1 hour to see that though. All right, so here it is right here. You see this? The reason why I need a little bit more data, but here you can see here we had wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 up here. So this is actually showing us an internal wave structure right here. And we can see that price did move back down almost to a 786 retracement. And we have now gone ahead and broken through a downward trend line. So this would have been a new one opportunity of a trend line break. So we've broken out this opportunity is gone. And so now we're looking at this inside swing right here as we look for price to now go to the next level. So if you're looking for some short-term gains, here would be a good solid place. Without even waiting for the trend line break, you can start even leveling in right now. Remember, cost averaging strategy is the best way to trade cryptos. And so right here would be a good cost averaging buy opportunity right here as we look for price to go to at least $10.48. So this could be a gain of around about 26.52% right here. That's the gain you're looking at on this run. This is ATMOM, all right, Cosmo. So this is a good setup right here. I'm also seeing good positive divergence here on this crypto as well. Now, this is not the only one that's setting up pretty good. Look at the ADA. This is Cardano. Cardano is sitting up right here where it's pulled back. We had the high, and that was based on an internal structure right here. We've gone ahead and hit that level. And now we're in what we call a zigzag correction. Here it is right here. Boom, boom, boom. And so we are now in a correction move, and we're expecting Cardano to take off towards the next level, which is $2.39. Let's take a look at the price action right here. There it is. Actually, $2.50, my bad. So $2.50 is the target to the upside. Here it is right here. Okay, $2.50 right there. So we're looking at $2.50. Now, if you're looking at the price that we're trading at right now, then you're looking at a return of approximately, let's go ahead and pull that down. You're looking at, no, that doesn't seem right. There we go. All right, we're looking at about a 14% return over this entry to that target right here. Remember, this is a 1 hour time frame. It's short term in and out. And again, traders, we spoke about this a couple of weeks ago, and we said that with these altcoins, what are you really trying to do? Are you trying to hit a home run, which means are you trying to go ahead and hit these 10x, 20x to 50x trades? You're going to get some of them, but you're not going to be able to get all of them. In fact, if you want to get those 10x, 20x type trades, and 50x trades, and 100x x trades, you've really got to get into these altcoins when they first are released at pennies to the dollar, right? But if you're getting in on cryptos that are moving, that have shown a bit of volatility, they've shown a bit of stability, if you're looking to get onto those, you can be quite happy with the 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x type of trades that you can get good profits on. And that's really what we're looking at. We're looking at just gaining some profits on these coins so we can build up our bigger portfolio. All right. So make money on these altcoins, get out of those altcoins, put money back into Ethereum and Bitcoin, and then constantly look for these new opportunities. So anytime the market has these correction moves, it's time to go ahead and buy in on. So Cardano is actually sitting up pretty solid right now. I'm pretty excited about Cardano and the upside upside potential to $2.50 on this particular coin right here. So check this one out. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's setting up for a good opportunity. Now I did speak about Polkadot as well. So we got Dot right here, and Dot did pull back. You can see right here we had a nice little rally. And this was actually a stronger rally. So I'm gonna go ahead and extend my fib level. We're looking at a profit target at 32.75. That moved way past 32.75. So we definitely moved up. On the pullback was an opportunity for traders to go ahead and get back in on this. And if you were looking to get back in on this, then take a look and see the opportunity on the upside. Here is the price target. We're looking at around about 35.27. So 35.27, 35.27 right here is another opportunity for traders to go ahead and get in on. All right, 35.27. Now, if you're looking at 35.27 right here as the upside target, then that means that this opportunity is going to be approximately, check it out, we're looking at about a 13.47% upside move. All right, so that's where we go. Dot is currently right now at a very good support level, for traders to go ahead and want to invest back in it. Now, if I look at the trend line, if you're looking at a counter trend line break right here, we haven't broken through that yet, but this is getting in real early, and we had, which is pretty exciting right here, we had a nice little pullback right here, back to support, looking for that rally to the upside. So this is definitely setting up with some great opportunities. So if you haven't checked out Polkadot, check out Polkadot, check out Cardano. XRP is also setting up pretty well as well. Check out XRP. We can go ahead and take a look at XRP as well. And there you go. XRP had broken north. We still see some upside potential to about 111. We're trading at about we're trading at $1.04, but it looks like it could go up to $1.11. And we did come back to retest the support right here, so we're expecting price to continue to move back up north. So this level right here, which is about $1.01, yep, $1.01. That's the support level right here that we're anticipating price to move up to at least $1.11. So XRP, which is Ripple, we're looking at Dodge. So not Dodge, the Dot, which is Polkadot. We're looking at Cardano. And even so, if you take a look over here on Solana, Solana also is creating an opportunity. Here was our short-term target right here. See how the market reached our short-term target? Well, we're now looking for that fourth wave, and this is it right here. If I go ahead and put my fibs in on this, and I want to take a look here. Yep, put my fibs in on this, and I'm looking now for my 1.27. Look here. We're looking at price moving to around about 191 on Solana. So 191, that is giving you a 14% upside move. Now remember, traders, anytime we move from a third wave, from a fourth wave, anytime we move from a fourth wave to a fifth wave, we're looking at about a 15% rate of return right there. If we had got it on the third wave, we could have looked at a much better upside potential right here. And how you can see that is if you take a look over here, look at where we spoke about the buy right here. This was the buy zone. Look at price moved from let's go here from the bottom right here all the way up here. This was a 32 pip, so you almost got double what you would get from a fourth to a fifth wave. So there's definitely some huge upside potential here on Solana, but you are catching it on the fourth wave, and by catching it on the fourth wave right here, you're not seeing as much profit potential. But because of a fourth wave, my strategy on this would absolutely be to go ahead and look to buy in with a cost averaging approach. So I would definitely look at buying in with a cost averaging approach. Anything above this level at 152 would be me investing in Solana, looking for 191 to come into play. So anytime the market dips down here, anything above 152, I would be buying in and cost averaging in on Solana as we look for price to go up to 191. So that's definitely my look here on this one right here. Anyway, that's the update for today. We're going to go ahead and shoot another update, I believe, on Wednesday. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure that you smash the like button. Smash the like button so we can get this video out there. We want to talk about cryptos because, hey, cryptos is part of today's world. We are looking at quite a bit of returns out of cryptos, and we certainly don't want to miss out on the big run. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel as well as smash the like button, and I'll see everyone in the next video. So with that being said, have a great afternoon, and I'll see you next time.